Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome if it keeps closing automatically, step by step, in 2026. If Chrome crashes suddenly while browsing or closes without warning, it can be really frustrating. But don't worry, there are several effective solutions to keep Chrome stable and running smoothly. Let's start. First, make sure Chrome isn't running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and check for any Chrome processes. Select them and click End Task. Sometimes leftover background processes can cause Chrome to crash repeatedly. Next, restart your computer. A simple reboot clears temporary memory issues or conflicts that may make Chrome unstable. Now, check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools, Greater Than Extensions, and disable or remove extensions you don't use regularly. Some extensions may conflict with Chrome and cause it to close automatically. Another step is to clear your browsing data. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Corrupted cache or cookies can often lead to sudden crashes. Next, update Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let Chrome update automatically. The latest version usually includes bug fixes that resolve crashing issues. If the problem persists, disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings greater than System, toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and restart Chrome. Hardware conflicts can sometimes make Chrome close unexpectedly. Another advanced step is to reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, greater than Reset, and clean up greater than Restore settings to their original defaults. This removes misconfigured settings without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Finally, if none of these solutions work, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall the browser completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google website. A fresh installation often fixes stubborn issues that cause Chrome to close automatically. And that's how you fix Google Chrome closing automatically, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.